3 months ago, I couldn't hold a handstand for 1 second. I would kick up, panic, and fall sideways, just like everyone else. But now, I can hold a freestanding handstand. And no, it's not because I am talented. And it's actually because I stopped doing what every other tutorial tells me to do and start doing this instead. The one mistake that kept me stuck for months is actually because most tutorial tells you to start upside down, and that's backward. But today, I'm going to be giving you the 4 steps that actually works, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start from, even before you kick up. Here is the problem with most how to handstand tutorials. They show you the final move and tell you just practice. But a handstand isn't just one skill. It is 4 movements stacked together. Skip one and the whole thing collapses. And the 4 movements are your wrist mobility, your shoulder strength, your body alignment, and balance. But if you miss any of these 4 movements, you will never get the handstand. But if you hit these 4 moves correctly, you will get your handstand way faster than you think. Step 1 is the one everyone skips. Your wrists take your full body weight in the handstand, and if they are not fully warmed up, you will quit before you even start. And here are some drills that will help you get them warm up. Drill 1, wrist rocks. 30 seconds forward and 30 seconds backward. Make sure you take this slow. Drill 2, fingertip pause. Make sure you do this for 30 seconds. Lift your palm up and lower down slowly. Drill 3, side to side wrist shift. Do this for 30 seconds. You want to make sure that you do these drills for 3 minutes before every session. It will take 1 or 2 weeks before you start feeling the difference. But once your wrists stop hurting, everything else gets easier. And if you've ever tried a handstand and your wrist is the reason why you stopped, drop a high in the comments. You're not alone. Step 2 is where most tutorials get it wrong. They tell you just kick up against the wall and hold it. But if your shoulders are not strong enough, you're just building bad habits. And here are some progressions that will help you build your shoulder strength. Progression 1, the wall walks. Start in the push-up position. Feet against the wall. Walk your feet up while walking your hands. Hold for 10 seconds where you feel comfortable and walk back down with the same control. This helps you build the shoulder strength that you will need for the handstand, and also give you the confidence that you are strong enough to carry yourself upside down. Second progression, the chest to wall handstand. Walk up to the wall and hold for 20 seconds. You want to focus on pushing through your shoulders to your ears. Do this for 3 sets. This builds the actual handstand strength and coordination you'll be needing for the freestanding handstand. Progression 3, the back to wall handstand. Only if you can hold a chest to wall handstand for 30 seconds comfortably, you should try this progression. You want to kick up gently against the wall while your heels are touching the wall. The goal here is to tap the wall as light as possible. This is where your balance actually wakes up. I spent 2 weeks on these wall drills every session. It's boring, I know, but this is the foundation. Skip it and you will never get the handstand. Most beginner handstand looks like a banana back, ribbed flared out, the lower back arched. It looks wrong and it makes balancing impossible. Why? Because your body isn't stacked. The fix, the whole body hold on the ground. You want to lie flat while pressing your lower back into the ground, squeezing your core and glutes. Lift your legs and shoulders slightly off the ground and hold for 30 seconds. This is the handstand shape, but on the ground. Because when you take this shape upside down, everything is stacked. Your shoulders over your wrists, your hips over your shoulders, and your feet over your hips. No more banana back. I want you guys to pause right now and try the whole body hold. I will wait. Feel where your lower back wants to lift off the ground. That is where your handstand is collapsing. I want you to comment "I found it" when you start feeling it. Here's where it gets fun. Once your wrists, shoulders, and body line are down, balance is the last piece, and it comes way faster than you think. But before we talk about balancing, you need to understand that your fingertips are the brakes in the handstand. Because most beginner thinks that balancing comes from adjusting their leg in the handstand, but it actually comes from your fingertips. So here are some drills that will help you balance in your handstand. Get into a chest to wall handstand. Push your shoulders as tall as possible. Slightly lean forward so more weight can go into your fingertips. Press your fingertips into the floor and feel how your body shifts back. Notice how pressing your fingertips into the floor pushes your body backward. That's exactly how you stop yourself from falling over in a freestanding handstand. Kick up into a back to wall handstand. Heels slightly touching the wall. Slowly peel one heel off the wall while finding the balance and holding it for 2 seconds by using the fingertips drill. Return the heel back to the wall. Repeat this drill by alternating both feet. Same start. Split your legs slightly. This helps you to lower your center of gravity. Balance for 3 to 5 seconds and slowly bring your legs together as you improve. My first freestanding handstand move was maybe 2 seconds. I was shaking, but it counted. Why? Because those 2 seconds became 5 and 5 became 10. The wall is your training wheel. You are supposed to take them off as soon as you get better. But that's not all, because I'm going to be giving you guys a weekly plan that helped me improve my handstand. So make sure you write this down or save this video for later. Day 1, wrist reps, wall walks and holy body holds. Day 2, full rest. Day 3, wrist reps, chest to wall handstand and heel pulls. Day 4, full rest. Day 5, wrist reps and back to wall handstand. Day 6, try freestanding handstand. Film it even if it's hobby. Day 7, full rest and review your footage. This took me months to find out because I was jumping between random tutorials. But now you have the exact plan and the 4 steps in order. It still takes works, but you're no longer guessing anymore. And if this helped you, then you know what to do. Drop a comment down below telling me what I've actually been holding your handstand back. I read them all. But before you guys leave, make sure you click that like button and that subscribe button. And do not forget to turn off that notification button so you can get more videos like this. My name is freestanding, and I'll see you guys in the next one.